I'm getting suited and booted. Bonnet on means we're getting to work. There's my doser valve. I need to change this motherfucker out. So there it is. Okay, I took my steps off. So when the doser valve, you gotta pinch those to pull it off. So I pinched them, pulled it off. Then I'm gonna get my ratchet out to unscrew all the screws on here. And this was kind of tough to get off. That was the cover part for it. So you have to put a screwdriver in it and pull down to get it off. So once I did that, then it just act like it didn't want to come out though. Like I put the screwdriver in, I see that, and I push down, then you gotta pull it. It was giving me trouble, honey, but I got it off. So then I pulled my ratchet out so I could unscrew it and everything. But you see, I had wrapped the cord around the top. I put it up there so it wouldn't get wet from that dripping right there, cause that's death fluid dripping from right there. So here I am getting the screws out, baby, cause it was three of them there. And there one right there I couldn't reach, so I had to put the extendo on there, and get the extendo on that ratchet and pull it out. My granny had getting in the way, honey. It was hot out there, so I had the hat on, everything. So once I get it off, I'm gonna show y'all in the camera how it was. The hole was blocked right there. That's dead fluid crystallized, blocking the hole, cause I had a low or slow flow. So that's the old one, and I'm gonna pull a new one out. I'll clean that part off. See that? That's some dead fluid, all crystallized. So I pull my new one out. It has everything already that you need attached to it. So it has all the covers on it. You pull your covers off, then reattach your hoses, and then you have to reattach that front piece. I got the camera all fucked up. I'm sorry, y'all. But